Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated bathroom rugs. A good bathroom rug will enhance the look of your bathroom while keeping your feet dry and toasty. In addition, it serves the most critical role of all when you exit the shower, which is to keep you from sliding on the wet floor. Since bathroom rugs offer so much, there's definitely something to be said for taking the time to look for the best possible option. This is easily said than done due to the numerous options available, but worry not. Our team has scoured all of the internet to present you with the 7 highest rated bathroom rugs available in the market. The team at trustedshopguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the bathroom rugs that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedshopguide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first bathroom rug on our list is the H.VERSAILTEX Bathroom Rugs. This rug comes in a set of 2 and is crafted from silky, soft, velvety chenille that gives your feet maximum comfort as you step out of the shower or bath. It has a bold pop stripe pattern, which makes for an elegant addition to your bathroom. It is worth noting that the rug comes in 3 sizes in 13 different colors such as black, chocolate, and cream, just to name a few. In terms of size, this rug measures 16.5 by 13 by 4 inches and weighs 3.2 pounds. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the H.VERSAILTEX Bathroom Rugs a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Extra soft. The microfiber rug features new technology that offers more density and softness. It has 2,000 grams of weight per square meter, which makes it very soft and supportive under your feet. High absorption properties. The super absorbent bath rug's microfiber surface soaks up a remarkable amount of water and keeps it contained. It also dries quickly for superior comfort from one use to the next. Non-slip. The mat features a non-slip backing that stays securely in place while providing long-lasting performance. Easy to maintain. You can machine wash this mat in cold water using mild detergent and tumble dry on the low setting. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it can accumulate fur if you have pets around, but it comes off easily by shaking. The second bathroom rug in our list is the Gorilla Grip Bathroom Rug. This rug offers ultimate luxury and comfort with its ultra-soft and cozy properties. It is both stylish and functional, coming in 44 various color options to match your preference. The collection features many sizes for a perfect fit in front of your double sink, shower, bathtub, and more. In terms of size, the bathroom mat measures 70 by 24 inches and weighs 4.62 pounds. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the Gorilla Grip Bathroom Rug a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Soft and plush chenille. This offers superior softness and coziness, while its thick and plush pile soothes your feet and keeps them warm from the cold floor. Super absorbent. This rug efficiently captures extra moisture to keep your floor clean as you step out of the shower or bathtub. Quick drying properties. The microfiber dries quickly, is extremely easy to clean, and is highly resistant to fading. This allows you to machine wash and dry it as often as you need to. Premium quality rubber backing. Made with high-quality materials for everyday use, this rug features a rubber backing and heavy-duty stitching for enhanced longevity. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, be sure to place it on the dry floor first before using it to avoid slipping. The third bathroom rug on our list is the MAYSHINE Bathroom Rug. This mat is made of ultra-soft microfiber that keeps your feet warm and cozy and your floors nice and dry. It's available in 14 different colors, with our favorites being black, white, and spot blue. In terms of size, the mat measures 59 by 31 by 1 inches and weighs a hefty 4.17 pounds. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the MAYSHINE Bathroom Rug a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Non-slip PVC bottom. This prevents any slipping as you get out of the shower, proving to be a safe and reliable choice. Foam anti-fatigue layer. A 6mm sponge foam layer relieves pressure and fatigue on your feet while keeping them insulated from the cold floor. Easy to maintain. This rug is conveniently machine washable. Simply put the bath rug in a laundry bag to preserve the fibers and use cold water only. The colors will remain vibrant after many washes. A 1-inch high chenille pile. This offers enhanced softness for a soothing feel right after you come out of the shower. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, don't touch it from the sides since this can cause it to move around a bit, and be sure to step directly on top of the mat for maximum stability. The fourth bathroom rug on our list is the HOMEIDEAS Bathroom Rugs. These bathroom rugs come in a set of 3. They use a unique fiber locking technique that prevents that unwanted fiber dropping. Being thicker and more solid than most rugs, these are ideal for hotels, saunas, showers, gyms, bathrooms, or other venues. The set includes a small bath rug measuring 17 by 24 inches, a U-shaped bath rug measuring 20 by 24 inches, and a large bath rug measuring 20 by 32 inches. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the HOMEIDEAS Bathroom Rugs a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: superior water absorbency. The high-pile, thick chenille fabric enables you to prevent your floors from having water drip on them as you step out of the shower. Quick drying properties. The moisture gets trapped in the bathroom mat's deep pile, enabling the rug to dry quickly and cleanly. Non-slip properties. The bottom is made of premium quality PVC material, which is non-slip, keeping your footing stable as you get out of the shower. Long lifespan. These rugs have an extremely durable rubber backing that'll not wear and peel off for long-lasting use. Machine washable. You can wash this rug on cold with a mild detergent. This saves you the time of cleaning it by hand. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the rugs are hard to clean by hand, but they're conveniently machine washable. The fifth bathroom rug on our list is the Yimobra Bathroom Rug. The Yimobra is suitable for almost anywhere due to its high quality and comfort. It comes in 24 colors, our favorites being white, lavender, and emerald, making it match easily with any bathroom motif. Made of good quality chenille, this bathroom mat offers comfortable underfoot support, making you feel like you're walking on clouds. In terms of size, it measures 70 by 20, 0.5 inches, and weighs 4.4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Yimobra Bathroom Rug a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: super soft features. The density and ultra plush of pile provides optimum comfort for your feet. Non-slip properties. The adhesive backing and high-quality horsehair firmly stays in their place to prevent slipping. Ultra absorbent. The thick, fluffy microfiber quickly absorbs water to keep your bathroom smelling fresh. Machine washable. This rug can hold up to multiple machine washes as its color stays vibrant every time. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the non-skid bottom is a bit thin, so it would be best to wash the rug carefully to maintain its longevity. The sixth bathroom rug on our list is the Genteele Bathroom Rug. The Genteele rug is thick, soothing, and cushiony. It can be used in a wide variety of places such as the kitchen, vanity, and even the guest room. The rug comes in 21 color options such as beige, black, and teal, just to name a few. In terms of size, it measures 16 by 17 by 0.01 inches and weighs 1.95 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Genteele Bathroom Rug a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: premium comfort. The memory foam bath mat is made with polyurethane foam that molds and cushions your feet, offering the utmost comfort. In addition, the velvet cover adds a luxurious feel to it. Thick material. Made with durable materials, this bathroom floor mat is soft to the touch while boasting enhanced longevity despite daily use. Non-slip properties. This bathroom floor mat is made with non-slip technology, backed with PVC dots that ensure you will never slip or slide every time you step on it. Machine washable. You can simply throw this in the washing machine and dry it off without it losing its vibrant colors. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, since the mat is velvet-like, it has an even coloration, but it'll not affect its drying performance. The seventh bathroom rug on our list is the Walensee Bathroom Rug. This bathroom rug features a soft pile made of 100% microfiber. It is the perfect combination of durability, elegance, and comfort. Plus, it's conveniently machine washable without it losing its vivid colors. Coming in 30 different colors and 7 various sizes, you can easily find the one best fit for your space. In terms of size, this rug measures 14.1 by 7.8 by 7.5 inches and weighs 5.17 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Walensee Bathroom Rug a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: non-slip property. The anti-skid backing is made of premium quality thermoplastic rubber that'll never slip or slide as you step on it. Super absorbent material. The super plush and thick shaggy mat surface is capable of absorbing plenty of water while being able to dry quickly. Ultra soft. The bath mat is made with thousands of individual polyester microfiber shags that sink into your toes for a comfortable feel. Relaxing properties. The soft pile soothes tired feet and keeps your toes warm, giving off a relaxing and therapeutic sensation. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, be sure to keep the floor dry before placing your rug so that you won't have to worry about it slipping as you step on it. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated bathroom rugs, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next bathroom rug roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our home great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.